So hello everybody and welcome back, and today we are going to be doing something a little different than what we've been doing for the past couple of videos. Today you're not gonna learn something, you're actually gonna walk through some problems with me. I'm gonna walk you through 5 problems. So from here to here, and yeah, so let's get straight into it. So problem number 1 is the following equation was written on the chalkboard. Um, it's triangle, triangle, diamond plus emoji thing minus triangle is equal to omega. Okay, let's go to our whiteboard and write this out. Okay, so let's write down the equation that is given to us. It is triangle. Sorry, I keep forgetting. What was it? Triangle, triangle, diamond, emoji. Now, because there are two triangles, we can combine them. So that's two triangle plus diamond plus emoji minus triangle, was it? Yeah, minus triangle is equal to omega. Minus the triangle is equal to omega. Now, before we even substitute anything, we can combine like terms. And this combining like terms, so this is a triangle and this is as well a triangle. So we can combine the like terms and make the equation simpler. So triangle plus diamond plus emoji is equal to omega. Okay, now let's substitute the values. Emoji is 3, omega is, if triangle is 4, emoji is 3, and omega is 12. So if the triangle is 4, emoji is 3, and omega is 12, then what we can do is we can combine like terms. That's 7 plus diamond is equal to 12. And now, obviously, we want to do the um, uh, subtract 7 from both sides so that it is equal on both sides. It stays balanced, and we can find diamond. So diamond is now 7 or 12 minus 7, which is 5. So diamond is 5. Okay. Now let's erase all of this and let's make diamond for number 1. Diamond is 5. Now please feel free to pause the video at any point in time if you do not understand something. This is very important because if you do not understand something, it could be like you might not understand something and then you won't learn. So please pause the video, rewind it, say something in the comments, do anything you want, but just understand these concepts. And one more disclaimer, please note that most of uh, uh, probably all of these problems are not going to be the subjects that I've taught in the past videos. So these are new subjects that I'm probably gonna do in future videos. Okay, let's keep going. All right, so two integers have a difference of 18 and a sum of 12. What is the product of the two integers? Okay, now let's say the two integers, let's put them as variables. Let's say they are x and y. Okay, so x plus y is equal to 18, x minus y is equal to 2. Okay, now we can use the process of elimination for these systems of equations. And let's add this equation to this equation. And so this will now become, let's do it in a different color, red. 2x is equal to 18. And now x will be equal to the not 9. All right. So now that x, sorry guys, I made a mistake. I mean that happens. I made a mistake. I forgot to add these two values, and that's an example. Like you should not forget to add every value in the equation. All right, let's move on. So now x is 10. Let's substitute that in for one of our other equations. Okay, now let's substitute in for this. So 10 plus y is equal to 18, right? Now, same as last equation, subtract, and y is equal to 8. So x is equal to 10, y is equal to 8. And let's see what the problem is asking. It's asking what is the product of the two integers, and product means multiplying. So we need to do xy, or we need to do x, y is equal to, and we know x, y is 10 times 8. So that's 10 times 8, which is equal to 80. So that means that, that the product of the two integers is 80. Okay, doesn't seem like we'll get to 5 problems, and so let's just keep going, and let's see how many we can get done in the remaining 2 or 3 minutes. Alright, so a map of Wyoming is drawn with a scale of 1/4 of an inch is equal to 1 mile. On that map, how many inches long would the drawing be of a road that is 10 miles long? Express your answer as a decimal to the nearest tenth. Alright, so let's see. If 1 mile is to 1/4 of an inch, then 10 miles is to how much? So here's a good thing. It's this times this divided by this. Alright, so if we do that, then that's 10 over 4 over 1. And when this comes over the top and multiplies with this, so that's 10 over 4, which is, if we can simplify, it is 5 over 2. And it's asking as a decimal. So 5 over 2 inches, because it's 10 miles, 5 over 2 inches is now 3.5 inches. Or sorry. 2.5 inches is the amount of inches a 10-mile long road would be. So 2.5 inches. Don't forget to add your units. It's a very big mistake many people make. Please do not forget to add your units. first-hand experience of not adding my units, and it's not very good if you don't add your units, because then you don't know, it's like, is this in centimeters or is it like miles, or yeah. So don't forget to add your units ever. All right, we have time for one more problem. Okay, so the median of a set of consecutive odd integers is 138. If the greatest integer in the set is 145, what is the least integer in the set? So median is the middle number. All right, so it's of 138. That's the median. So that's the middle number. All right, so let's just write, oops, 138 right over here. And it's saying it's consecutive odd integers. So that means that the end is 145. And it's consecutive, so that means like the next odd integer, yeah, so that would be, the next odd integer is 143, 141, and 139, and then it goes down 137. And how many values are there here? 4. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4. So that means that the lowest number is 131, because as you can see, 138 is a median, because on either side there is 4 numbers. This is the highest and this is the lowest. So that is highest and that is the lowest, and they're asking for the lowest only. So the lowest would be 131. Okay, so that's the lowest number. And yeah, so that's all we have for you today. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please leave a like and subscribe if you want to. We are getting really close to 50 subscribers, and I really hope that you do subscribe, because it means a lot to me. Please comment down below if I have anything to improve, and I'm very sorry this video hasn't gotten out uh, a long time before, because I haven't been uploading because I've had some other stuff. But yeah, now that it's finally getting out there, this video, I hope everybody does well in their problems. And comment down below if you pause the video before every single problem, did the problem on paper or in your head, and you got them all right. Comment down below if you did that. If you didn't, just comment down below on what you don't understand. Yeah, that's it. Bye. Have a great day.